gonna take a small piece of origami paper because we don't want the Rakhi to be too big. So in this small piece of paper, we're gonna mark 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter squares. You need totally 8 squares of 2 by 2 centimeter square. I have already made 8 squares of 2 by 2 centimeter. So let's move on to how to make the origami center shape. Since it's difficult to understand the folds which I'm gonna make in these small squares, I just made one more big square in which I'll be demonstrating, and you can proceed doing the same with the small squares. So take your square sheet and then fold it diagonally. After that, open the fold and fold it to the opposite diagonal. Now this is the final part to make each of those squares into a small part of the origami. So you have to twist and fold the fold by holding the sides and press it in the center to get a triangle. So I'll show you once again. So these are the 2 creases which we got by folding. So just hold onto the opposite sides and just twist and fold. I'll show you one more time. So you're doing the first fold and the second fold. Now open it. You can see 2 lines, 2 creases are there. Just hold it like pinching and then push it inside to get this and fold it. So you'll be having something like this. This is what you will get if you fold the 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter squares which we got. So it will be very tiny. We will start making the center part now. We are going to interlock them with these side parts. So you keep going it like a chain. Before that, we will stick the bottom part so that it won't move when you are sticking the next part. Don't put the Fevicol on the above part or top of the second one, because if you stick it, then we won't be getting the flower shape at the top. Just stick the bottom part. Now open this, put little Fevicol here, interlock this second one. And keep doing the same process till you reach a circle. Here comes a little tricky part. So the last one, after you attach, you have to make it go inside the first one to complete the circle. Now you can connect the last one to the first one which you started. Just apply very little Fevicol so that it won't be sticky or anything outside. So now we got the center part. You can just give a little push to your top portion to get the shape better in 3D. Now it is dry, so we'll move to the next part where we will be attaching the thread. So for attaching the thread, keep it upside down and take a very small piece of the same color and make sure that it is not going outside. You can even make a combination of different colors to get a colorful pattern, or you can use a single color.